Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure the Hisense TV is on and the remote has fresh batteries. Place it within 2 feet of the TV. Press and hold the TV button and the setup button together until the LED blinks, then release. This puts the remote into programming mode. If your remote uses a code list, have the Hisense code ready. Otherwise, prepare to use the auto search method. These steps engage the remote so it can send the first code sequence to the TV. Once in programming mode, try entering the 3 or 4-digit Hisense code, then press power and volume to verify. If you don't know the code, use the remote's code search. Press and hold code search until the LED lights, then repeatedly press power or channel up. Each press sends the next code. When the TV responds by turning off, immediately press setup to lock that code in. Make sure you test multiple keys. If volume or input fail, repeat to find a better. You finish by testing power, volume, input, and mute. Walk through common actions to confirm full control. If a function doesn't work, make sure you save the code, then try the code search again or enter an alternate Hisense code from the list. Once done, lock the code and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, reset the remote to factory defaults, replace batteries, and repeat the search. Sometimes a fresh start solves intermittent pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.